This is a true story of winter 2011, snowy winter, of a great relationship with a wild red-tailed hawk, Hawky the hawk.
Hawky found something very strange on the grass. Something dark. Let's see, trying to eat it. Let's see what it looks like. Like something, like a glove or something. It's a nice gray snowy day, yeah? Now, this looks like a glove. Hawky looks sad. Nothing to eat today. Now Hawky is following me on a trail from one pole to another. He's waiting for me because we became very, very, very good friends. Yep.
Today is January 19th. Now I saw my friend Hawky flying to that tree over there. You get closer. Like that tree. Hawky! Today is February 6th. Sunday. It's a beautiful day. Yesterday it was raining. Suddenly I see my friend Hawky after more than almost 2 weeks. My friend Hawky. Where have you been? Hawky! Are you sleeping? No way, he was hiding during the frozen days. Hi! My friend Hawky is shaking his head like this. Hawky! Where have you been? Ah, shaking his head. Hawky! Hey, where are you flying to? Where are you going? I think Hawky found something. Oh boy. Hawky found it. First time. It's on the pole over there. What's going on? He knows, recognize me. They have very good memory and very good eyesight. Beautiful hawk. I'm standing maybe 2 yards from Hawky. How you doing, my friend? Hey, Hawky. So close to Hawky. It's a huge hawk. I'm going. My friend Hawky. I'm going. You want to follow me? You can follow me a little bit. Bye, Hawky. See you next time. February 7th. Cloudy day. Gonna be rainy tonight. I see my friend Hawky today. He's worried. Maybe Hawky is hungry. Looks very tasty. I see some feathers, some black bird. My friend Hawky got to know me by now. He doesn't care if I come in close because he knows that we are good friends. Not much left to eat. It's getting harder and harder to get to the bones. For a few months, we know each other. see if I can take a picture with me and Hockey. You have to do some work. It's not that simple. Long meal. Oh yeah. Why you eat this stuff also? The feathers, what the hell? It's hard to swallow. Don't get in troubles, maybe I have to save you over here. Now he's got stuck. He's got stuck. Throw it out. Was a big, nice fiesta. Where are you going now? Hockey finished almost everything. Well, that's nice. At least they leave everything clean. This is February 23rd. I didn't see Hockey for about 2 weeks. Very nice surprise. Hockey! Hockey! You gonna sleep soon? I didn't see Hockey for a few weeks. One evening I saw him with another hawk flying together. I think that he found a mat and got married for the springtime. Well, I wish him good luck and hope to see Hockey soon.